Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and as we are looking at week 16, and hopefully this is the right one here. If not, that's fine. We can make sure you get all caught up here. So week 16, this is the absolute final week of the semester. We do go into Monday the 21st. 3 p.m. Monday the 21st is the absolute deadline for any assignments turned in this semester. This Wednesday is our last all middle school Zoom, if you can make it. And so this week we're going to finish up Unit 2. We have a final exam study guide. We have a discussion board where you're posting some information and replying. So make sure it's a little bit different than our other discussion board. So make sure you read the directions carefully. And then you have your early American history first semester final exam to finish up. So week 16, the end of the end. So please make sure you go through the suggested schedule very carefully, and actually this looks like it maybe this is it here, and go through it day by day. Please try to make sure that you're done with everything by Friday, and this includes if you have any past due assignments. Let's get them all in. If you have any questions, ask me early in the week. I won't be available on Monday, but the rest of the week, try and reach out to me as early as possible. Please don't wait for the weekend, or definitely not until Monday, to ask your questions. As I think you all know, I will not be here second semester, and so Miss Lindblom will be your teacher second semester for social studies. And she's great, and you'll love her. So, all right. Let me know, email, text, message. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's get everything in as soon as possible and get that final done, and make sure you're checking your grades and going back and checking in on stuff. All right. Have a great holiday. Bye.